Hey guys, Paleo Nick here. I've got Kat, the butcher, Bellamy back in the house with their knives. Thanks for coming by.
No problem.
We're gonna do our next episode in It's Not Gourmet, Sis. It's gonna be
Green chili beef stew with yams.
and it's gonna be quick, so stick around. All right guys, Kat's at the helm. I'm just gonna give her a little guidance. We're gonna start off here with about 4 pounds of beef stew meat in the bowl.
In the bowl.
2 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons, and then let's go a half tablespoon of pepper. From there, let's go in. Now what I've got, I have some frozen mirepoix. I had some prepped out, so I just thawed this out. It's gonna be easy. Half onions, quarter celery, quarter carrots. It's going with 8 cups of that. And then let's go with 8, it's gonna be close to 10 cups yams, chopped up.
Key ingredient right here.
Sweet yams are good. They provide healthy carbs for fueling fitness, but I'm a meat guy. Give that a little toss-a-rooney. How about if we go in with our green chilies? Speaking of chili.
Oh, nice segue.
Green chilies. Go ahead and mix those in. 1 28-ounce can ground tomatoes. We'll go with some fresh parsley, about a cup of that. Let's see what you got. I'll grab the spoon, use the bowl.
Are you gonna help me this time?
Yeah, I'll help you this time. It's gonna fit in there. Really nice.
Don't forget that yam.
Let's go ahead in with our bay leaves. Just kind of sneak those in the side without breaking them. If you can help it. And then it's full, but this is gonna break down. I think it's gonna be perfect. Let's throw the lid on here. Let's go 7 hours on high and we'll see what happens. Check this out. Whoa, dude, look at that.
Whoa.
So let's take a look here. What do we got? Is our beef, oh, it's already flaking apart. Good salt on that piece. Nothing like a well-salted piece of meat, right? Oh, yeah, mama.
Looks good.
You see how that cooked down? Now what about our meat? That's the big question.
Nice.
Huh? Yeah, meat. We're gonna start packaging this up. I think we'll probably get, this is 6 quarts, so I'm thinking we'll get at least six of those guys.
Give you 7 just in case.
Maybe 7, okay. That'll be a healthy portion. Well, that's it, you guys. It's not gourmet. Remember, we threw that together in a couple minutes. We got Kat, the butcher, Bellamy. What did we make again?
Some green chili beef stew with yams.
And as always, guys, we're here. We're just hanging out, cooking food, doing what we can to help you
Keep it paleo.